Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to block inappropriate YouTube ads. Now, before we begin, you need to know that this method is legal and we will do it without need of subscription to YouTube Premium. Now, let's say that you are searching for a specific video and when you click on it, you will find here that there is an advertisement. Now, to avoid that, what you should do is to simply copy the name of the video like so. And once you copy it, you should now open a new tab. Then what you should do is to simply search here for bing.com, then click on enter and paste the name of the video just right here and space, then type here site YouTube, then click on enter. And after that, the video will be displayed just like so. When you click on it, it will open, but with no ads, as you can see. You can do the same thing when searching for any video. Let's say that I'm going to search here for recipes or shrimp, for example. When I open the video, I will not find any advertisements, as you can see. And even when you click on any one of these videos, you will not find any ads. So this is how easy it is. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.